service, we will stand by at channel 12 over.
Motor vessel Curva. This is port service. I read you loud and clear. Go ahead, over.
Port service, we are passing reporting point Delta at 12:15 local time, over.
Motor vessel Curva. I read you loud and clear. You must call when you reach at Pier 3, over.
Pilot service, we read you loud and clear. We will call when we boat at Pier 3, over. Port service, this is motor vessel Curva, over.
Motor vessel Curva. This is port service. Go ahead, over.
Port service, we drop anchor at port station Western Delta bearing 275, over.
Motor vessel Curva. I read you loud and clear. Stand by on channel 12 for further instruction, over. Motor vessel Curva. This is port service, over.
Port service, this is motor vessel Curva, proceed, over.
Motor vessel Curva. You may now proceed to Pier 3 at 2210 local time, over.
Port service, we read you loud and clear. We will wait until the pilots arrive and proceed to Pier 3, over.
Motor vessel Curva. Stand by on channel 12, over.
Port service, we will stand by at channel 12.
Out.